Hello and thank you for clicking on this video walk around of our extremely rare Suzuki Ignis SZ5 Allgrip, finished with a hybrid engine. Now the hybrid engine makes this much better for the environment and also gives you better miles per gallon. So this car boasts over 60 miles per gallon. This particular car has low mileage and has only had one owner from new and comes with a full service history. As you can see, it's finished in the red metallic paint, complemented really well with the black alloy wheels and the black bumper trim. Now, as this car is the SZ5, comes with some excellent features such as keyless start and keyless entry. I'll show you inside. As you can see, the interior is in excellent condition. The white door cards complement the black really well. Onto the car's infotainment system. It houses the AM/FM digital radio, Bluetooth, sat-nav and smartphone link. As it's the SZ5, it also has climate control. Easy to use audio mounted steering wheel controls. So for its new owner, this car would come with a full 12-month MOT and a fresh service before leaving. This really is a rare car. You don't see many 4x4 SZ5 Ignises about. I fully recommend that you look on the technician's appraisal, which is next to this one, as you'll get a good insight into the condition underneath the bonnet and underneath the car. I hope you found this video useful and thank you very much for watching.